Lesson number 51, Algebra, Volume 2, Application number 205, Polynomial, px equal to n minus 1 multiply x power 2n at 2n multiply x power 2n minus 1 at 1. N belong natural number is divisible by x at 1 power 2, I x equal minus 1 to be double root of px, p1 equals 0, p first derivative in point minus 1 equals 0, p first derivative equal 2n multiply 2n minus 1 x power 2n minus 1 at 2n multiply 2n minus 1 x power 2n minus 2, p1 equals 0, 2n multiply minus n, puterea 2n at 2n minus n, 2n minus 1 add 1 equal 2n minus 1 minus 2n add 1 equals 0, p1 equals 0, p first derivative minus 1, 2n minus 1 multiply minus 1 power 2n minus 1 at 2n power multiply 2n minus 1 minus 1 equal to n multiply 2n minus 1 add minus 2n multiply 2n minus 1 equals 0, p in point minus 1 equals 0, p first derivative minus 1 equals 0, so x equal 1 is double root of px, double root of px. Application number 206, determine a and b so that the polynomial fx equal a x power n at 1 at b x power n minus 1 at 4 by divisible by x at 1 power 2. First derivative f prime x equal a multiply n minus 1 x n at b multiply n minus 1 x n minus 2. X at 1 equals 0, x1 equal 2, x1 minus 1, f1 equals 0, f first derivative minus 1 equals 0, a minus 1 la puterea minus 1 power n at 1 at b minus 1 n minus 1 at 4 equals 0, a n minus 1 minus 1 puterea n at b n minus 1 multiply n minus 1 n minus n at 2 equals 0, a multiply n at 1 at b n minus 1 equals 0, result a equal minus b multiply n minus 1 divided n at 1, b equal minus 4 divided minus 1 power minus 1 minus 1 minus n minus 1 multiply n minus 1 n at 1 divided n at 1. Application 207. Proof that the polynomial p de x equal x power 6m at 2 at x power 3m at 1 at 1 is divisible by qx equal x power 2 at x at 1. Px divisible qx divisible if the root of qx equals 0 or the root of px equals 0, then divide. Intersect the graph of qx axis ox. Y equals 0 is equation of the axis ox. Qx equals 0, x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0. 0 equal x power 2 at x at 1. A power 3 minus b power 3 equal a minus b multiply a power 2 at ab at b power 2. Abbreviated formula x la x power 3 minus 1 equal x minus 1 divide multiply x power 2 at x at 1. X power 3 minus 1 equals 0, x minus 1 multiply x power 2 at x at 1 equal x power 3 minus 1 equals 0, x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0, x power 3 equal 1. Px equal x power 6 multiply m at 2 at x power 3m at 1 equal 6 power 6 multiply m multiply x power 2 at x power 3m multiply x at 1 x 3 power 2m multiply x power 2 multiply x 3m multiply x at 1 equal 0 x 3 power m equal x3 equal 1 equal 1 power 2m equal 1 x3m equal x power 3 power m equal 1m 1 px equal x power 2 at x as 1 equal 0 px divided qx application number 208 prove that the polynomial px equal x power 2 power 6m at 2 at x at what is divisible by qx equal x power 2 at x at 1 px divisible qx. Intersect the graph of qx axis ox y equals 0 is the equation of axis ox. Qx equals 0 equal x power 2 at x at 1 qx equal yx equal x power 2 at x at 1 y equals 0 x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0 x power 3 equal 1 from x power 2 at x at 1 equals 0 x power 2 at 1 equal minus 6 px equal x power 2 at 1 power 6 multiply m at 2 at x at 1 equal x power 2 at 1 equal minus 6 px equal minus 6 power 6 multiply m at 2 at x at 1 equal minus 1 power 6m at 2 multiply x 6m at 2 at x at 1 minus 1 power 6 multiply m at 2 equal 1 x 6m at 2 equal x 6m multiply x 2 equal x power 3 2m multiply x power 2 equal 1 x3 equal 1 power 3 equal 1 equal x power 2 px equal x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0 so px divided qx. Application number 209 prove the polynomial px equal 1 at x power 6m at 1 minus 1 at x 6p at 1 is divisible by qx equal x power 2 at x at 1 1 at x power 6 multiply m at 1 minus 1 at x multiply power 6p at 1 divided x power 2 at x at 1 intersect the graph of qx axis ox y equals 0 equation of the axis ox qx equals 0 equal x power 2 at x as 1 x power 3 minus 1 equal x minus 1 multiply x power 2 at x as 1 x power 3 equal 1 x power 2 at x at 1 equal 0 x at 1 equal minus x power 2 px equal 1 at x power 6m at 1 minus 1 at x power 6p at 1 equal minus x power 2 power 6m at 1 minus x power 2 power 6p at 1 minus 1 6m at 1 multiply x 2 6m at 1 equal x power 2 equal minus x 6p at 1 x2 6p at 1 minus 1 6m at 1 minus 1 equal minus 1 minus 1 6p at 1 equal minus 1 px equal x power 12p at 2 minus x power 2 m 11 multiply m at 2 px equal x 12p multiply x power 2 minus x 12m multiply x power 2 x power 2 minus x power 2 equals 0 x 12p equal x power 3 power 4 multiply p equal x power 3 equal 1 equal 1 power 4 multiply p equal 1 x 12m equal x power 3 power 4m equal 1 power 4m equal 1 so px divided qx. Application number 210. Proof that the polynomial px equal x minus 1 power m at 2 at x to m power 2m at 1 is divisible by qx equal x power 2 minus x at 1. Px divided qx where qx equals 0 implied that and px equals 0. Intersect the graph of qx axis with x. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis with x. Qx intersect with x. Yx equal qx equal x power 2 minus x at 1. Y equals 0. X power 2 minus x equals 0. A power 3 at b power 3 equal a at b multiply a power 3 minus a b at b power 2. Abbreviated formula x power 3 at 1 equal x at 1 multiply x power 2 minus x at 1. X power 3 at 1 equals 0 equal x at 1 multiply x power 2 minus x at 1. So x power 3 at 1 equals 0, x power 3 equal minus 1, x power 2 minus 6 at 1 equals 0, x minus 1 x minus 1 equal x power 2, x power 3 equal minus 1. Px equal x minus 1 power m up to at x to power 2m at 1 equal x power 2m at 2 2m at 2 at x to m at 1 x to m at 1 power 2m at 1 factor common multiply x la 3 at x power 3 at 1 equals 0 x power 3 at 1 equals 0. So x divided qx. Application number 211. Proof that polynomial px equal x at 1 power 3m at 2 at x at 2 is divisible by qx equal x power 2 at 3x at 3. Px divided qx where qx equals 0 implied that px equals 0. Intersect the graph qx axis with x. Y equals 0 is the equation of axis with x. Y x power 2 at 3x at 3 equals 0. Y equals 0. X power at 3x at 3 equals 0. Multiply x power 3 at 3x power 2 at 3x equals 0 from x at 1 power 3 equal x power 3 at 3x power 2 at 3x at 1 x power 3 at 3x power 2 at 3x equal x at 1 power 3 minus 1 x power 3 at 3x power 2 at 3x equals 0 x at 1 power 3 minus 1 equals 0 x power 2 at 3 x at 3 equals 0. Qx intersect y axis with x. Check px equals 0 when qx is 0. Px x at 1 power 3m at 2 at x at 2 x at 1 3m multiply x at 1 power 2 at x at 2 equal x x at 1 power 3 equal 1m equal x at 1 power 2 at x at 2 x at 1 3m equal x at 1 3 power m equal 1m. Px equal x power 2 at 2x at 1 at x at 2 equal x power 2 at 3x at 3 equals 0. Px divided qx.